In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Outlook you have. Knowing which version of Outlook you're using can be quite useful, whether you're troubleshooting, looking for specific features, or ensuring you're up to date with all the latest updates and security features. So let's dive in and figure out how to do this quickly and efficiently. First, make sure you have Outlook open on your computer. If you're using the most recent version of Outlook, you should see the familiar layout when you launch it. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the settings. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of the Outlook window. It might look like a gear icon, and clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu with a list of options that are part of your Outlook settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled General. This option will contain a variety of settings related to your Outlook application, including preferences for appearance and general operation. Clicking on General will expand a list of further choices concerning your application setup. As you scroll through the options under General, look for one that says About Outlook. Usually it's one of the last items in this section. Selecting About Outlook will reveal all the details about your Outlook version. This information should include the version number, which will give you insight into the exact iteration of Outlook you're running on your device. This can include a string of numbers that represent the major and minor version sequences and sometimes the build number as well. And that's it. You've successfully discovered which version of Microsoft Outlook you are using. Knowing this can be beneficial whenever you need to download updates, verify compatibility with other software, or access help resources that may pertain exclusively to certain versions of Outlook. One helpful tip to keep in mind: updating your Microsoft Office or Outlook client can be crucial for maintaining security, access to new features, and overall software performance. If you find that your version is outdated, consider heading over to the Office Updates section from your main Microsoft Office account page to see if an update is overdue. Thank you for joining me today to learn this quick tutorial on finding your Microsoft Outlook version. Hopefully, this empowers you with more control over your task management tools and ensures a smoother, more organized digital experience. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates on all things tech related. Stay safe and see you next time.